Here are 7 ways to make money online.
Offer your skills and expertise as a freelancer in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, or virtual assistance.
Platforms like Upwork.
Freelancers have the freedom to set their own schedules, choose their clients, and determine their rates. They have more control over their work-life balance.
Freelancing spans various industries and professions, including writing, design, programming, marketing, consulting, and many more.
The range of available freelance jobs is extensive, allowing individuals to leverage their unique skills.
Remember that while freelancing offers flexibility, it also requires self-discipline, effective time management, and a proactive approach to business development.
Building a strong reputation and maintaining a professional brand are crucial for long-term success as a freelancer. Online tutoring. If you have knowledge in a particular subject, you can provide online tutoring services. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Chegg Tutors offer opportunities to teach various subjects to students worldwide.
When considering online tutoring, it's important to choose a reputable platform or tutor with appropriate qualifications and experience. Verify credentials, read reviews or testimonials, and consider trial sessions to assess compatibility and teaching style.
Remember that online tutoring relies heavily on effective communication and clear instruction. Students should have a reliable internet connection, suitable equipment, such as a computer with a webcam and microphone, and a distraction-free learning environment.
Affiliate marketing.
Promote products or services through your website, blog, or social media platforms and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale to find suitable products. Content creation. Create and monetize content on platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. By building a substantial following, you can earn money through advertising revenue, brand partnerships, sponsorships, and merchandise sales.
Before creating content, it's important to identify your target audience.
Understand their demographics, interests, preferences, and pain points. This knowledge helps tailor your content to resonate with them effectively. Consistency is key when it comes to content creation. Establish a regular publishing schedule to keep your audience engaged and build a loyal following. Balance frequency with quality to maintain a sustainable content creation process. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys, focus groups, or market research studies conducted by companies. Websites like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Toluna offer opportunities to earn money by providing your opinions and feedback. Remember, conducting effective online surveys and market research requires careful planning, thoughtful design, and ethical considerations. By leveraging the insights gained from these activities, businesses can make informed decisions, tailor their marketing strategies, and improve their products or services.
E-commerce. Start your own online store and sell products or services.
Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy provide easy-to-use tools to set up and manage your e-commerce business. E-commerce enables businesses to reach customers worldwide, breaking geographical barriers and expanding market reach.
Efficient logistics and order fulfillment are crucial in e-commerce.
This includes inventory management, packaging, shipping, and returns management. Businesses can choose to handle logistics in-house or outsource to third-party logistics providers. Online investments and trading. Engage in stock trading, cryptocurrency trading, or other forms of online investing. Platforms like eToro, Robinhood, or Coinbase allow you to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other financial instruments. Remember, online investments and trading involve risks, and it's important to conduct thorough research, understand the products or markets you're investing in, and consider your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're new to investing, it may be helpful to seek guidance from financial advisors or consider starting with smaller investments as you gain experience and knowledge.
Remember, success in any online venture requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning.
Be sure to research and understand each opportunity before diving in, and always be cautious of potential scams or fraudulent schemes.